Hi everyone, good morning. Today it's Sunday. We have planned to go to Klang. It's a place called Bukku Cafe. Spelled B-U-K-K-U, Bukku Cafe. So it's supposed to be a fusion between Japanese and Asian. So we want to check it out. So, right.
Good morning everyone. I finally figured out how to connect my Bluetooth intercom to the recorder. So I'm coming to you live from inside my helmet. Anyways, today the journey will be about 55 kilometers to Bukku Cafe in Klang. On the right of you, you can see the KL city. A lovely morning for a ride. Right, so we are now on the link between the MR2 to the federal highways. Never-ending construction in KL. New highways popping up everywhere. Up ahead, you can see the P&B building. It's slated to be the second tallest tower in the world after the Burj Al Khalifa. Malaysian and the tall buildings. I still don't know why you're constructing another one. Okay, we are now approaching NPE, the new Pantai Expressway. So right now we are on the NPE, heading towards Shah Alam. We are now in PJ City area. Coming up on the left is the Sunway Pyramid with our very own Spink. Yeah, passing through the city of Shah Alam via this portion of the federal highway. We're almost there to the town of Klang. We are almost here. According to the GPS, should be around the corner. Alright, here we are on the left. We are here. We are here, Bukku Cafe, out in Klang. You can sit in here. It's not too hot.
So let's do this one.
It's a bit hot outside. Everything is cashless, by card only. a garden for your meals. Okay. What's this called?
What's this called? Local coffee.
Local coffee.
The Labarica.
Labarica. This is the big breakfast.
Big breakfast.
Okay. How is it?
Yummy. The sausage is nice. A bit salty. Soup. The sound.
Mushroom.
Alright, that's it. So we'll be heading back the same way we came in. I'll put the Relief Journey tracking app at the end of this video for those interested to see the journey we took today. So please like, comment and subscribe down below, and we will see you again in the next episode.